be showing how to carve a chicken. Remove the legs from the cavity. I'm chopping the wings off because I'm leaving them on the breast. That's chicken wing 1. Add a knife. Chicken wing number 2. Score the skin between the breast and the leg, and keep scoring between by the rib cage. Turn the chicken around, score from the sides all the way to the spine and back. Break the muscle, separate the joints. I'm going to trim it later. As well, where the neck is, there is a wishbone which we're going to remove. And leave it like this, so you can roast the whole crown. So down here you have a wishbone. So take a knife, pierce the side, the other side, and with your index finger and your thumb pull out. This is the wishbone. So find the center of the carcass, where the breast is. And go along the bone, right all the way to the bottom. Find the joint where the wing is, cut it off. I'm gonna trim it later again. So start with the clean board again. I'm gonna trim a little bit the edges. So when I carve the chicken, always leave the wing in, similar like you would do a chicken Kiev. Gives more moisture to the chicken, and this is one of my favorite parts as well, so I'll just leave it as it is. Legs, there's not a lot of trimming required, just some excess skin. That's pretty much it. I never remove, I always leave these. That's the flavor. Chicken wings, perfect as they are. That's pretty much it. So, breast number 1, breast number 2, 1 leg, 2 legs, chicken wing, backbone with the tail, breast, chicken neck. All the excess skin you can use for roasting, and then shred it down to pieces and mix it with the butter. Grate with the fresh bread, and that's pretty much it.